This video will show you how to choose your contact preference when Easy Connect contacts you for daily assignments. You'll also be able to choose additional assignments you'd like to cover and mark yourself off as unavailable when needed. To begin, underneath the Easy Connect menu, open up the Occasional Preferences page. From here, you'll see your employee ID number and the occasional list that you're approved on. Continue scrolling down and you'll see the Contact Preference section. Every time Easy Connect contacts you for an assignment, you will receive an email by default. But you can choose between 3 additional methods to be contacted, either by mobile app, by downloading it in the App Store and receiving push notifications, or you can choose a phone call and have the IVR give you a call, or you can choose text message. Please keep in mind, if you do choose text message, you will need to log into the account to accept the assignment, whereas with the mobile app, you can accept it easily with the push notification, or on the phone, you can accept it by dialing in the respective numbers to accept. As you scroll down, you will see the assignments. Now, if you are a teacher, you will want to add your OCT to the account, and it will automatically approve you to your OCT qualified assignments. But you can additionally add any other assignments that you are willing to cover, and this can increase your call offers. Once you have selected additional assignments, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Save. You do not need to select any school locations, as those are assigned at the school board level. Once you've saved your contact preferences, you can navigate back to the Easy Connect menu and open up My Calendar. From My Calendar, you can mark yourselves off as unavailable for certain days you're not available to work. The calendar is a great place to see any of the assignments that you currently have agreed to work, and you can see the information by clicking on them. If you want to take yourself out of the call out for particular days, you're going to use the Dates Not Available button, and you can click that and simply enter in the date you are not available to work. If it's multiple days in a row, you can click Add Days. And if it's just the morning, you can enter the times in accordingly or select all day. Put in your reason for being unavailable and save. You will see that pop up on your calendar right away, and if you need to make any edits or changes, you can simply click right back on that event where you'll see the edit or delete option. If you do delete it, you will be considered for assignments that fall on those days again. And last but not least, underneath the Easy Connect menu, if you do want to see any of the assignments that have been offered to you, you are able to come to the Assignments Offered section. And if you want to see any that you've accepted other than your calendar, you can also view that on the Assignments Accepted page. If you do want to accept one of the assignments from the offered, simply navigate to that page, click on the assignment name, and you'll be brought to an additional page where you can accept the assignment. Once you do accept the assignment, you will receive a confirmation email letting you know that you're successfully in that job, and it will be populated on your calendar. If you need any help with this process or have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer care department. There is a Contact Us link at the bottom of every one of your pages in your account, and you can reach us Monday to Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thank you so much for watching.